In this video, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to read and analyze JPG images. I start on the home page and click the Create New button in the top right corner to set up a brand new workspace. Once the loading screen finishes, the source selection menu appears, offering various ways to import data. I choose the Upload Files option to bring in my image directly from my computer. I've picked a file named chart.jpg, and you can see it processing in the sidebar on the left. It's impressive how quickly it works. It actually renames the entire notebook automatically based on the specific text and data it identifies within the image. Now, I want a full breakdown of what's inside, so I type, Analyze the image, into the chat bar and hit enter. The AI begins a multi-step process, scanning the text, gathering facts, and deciphering the chart details in real time. The results provide a deep dive into the company's performance, explaining that the chart tracks sales, purchases, and expenses over a full calendar year. It accurately identifies high points in April and July and notes the low points in November, giving me a perfect, readable summary of the visual data. Finally, I click on the source file to open a preview and compare the AI's analysis with the actual graph. As I scroll through the generated text, I can see how it perfectly captured the trends and volatility shown in the lines, making it easy to understand complex visuals without any manual data entry. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.